So it just came from Best Buy. Stole us a Fold 5G 2. You know, we unbox here in the car. Ooh. I think this is the part of unboxing that gets people. Oh my God, what's gonna come out? Change the shape of the future. Nothing. And here we have instructions, which I'll never use. Oh, 30 days free cloud. More AT&T crap. Okay. It feels a lot sturdier than the last one. But it feels sturdier, but lighter. Dun dun dun! Oh yeah. It's so before it used to like snap back. Boom. Now it's just
for comparison.
You know. So let's see, we're gonna turn it on. It feels so much different, dude. It's lighter, but sturdier. Come back now.